Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to teach you may and might, and this is lecture number 14. Let's start. May and might. We can use may and might as modal auxiliary verbs, and we can also use them as nouns. As a noun, may means the fifth month of a year: January, February, March, April, May. A month of a year. Whereas as a noun, might means power or strength. You might have heard a proverb, might is right. Here might means power. As modal auxiliary verbs, they have three usages. Number one, they show possibility. Number two, they are used to seek permission, and we use them when we pray. Examples. Let's use may and might as nouns. Ali was born in May 1990. Here, May represents a month of a year, so it's a noun. He can move this rock with his might. Here, might means power, strength. So, it is also a noun. Let's talk about possibility. Possibility means that when we are not completely sure about something or someone. Here, we will use may, might followed by first form of the verb, means base form of the verb. Examples. She may be busy. She may be busy. Now, be is the first form of the verb. We are not completely sure whether she is busy or not. Possibility is there. It might rain tonight. There are clouds. We are not completely sure whether it will rain or not. So here may and might show possibility. Let's talk about permission. When we need or someone needs permission, we will use may or might at the beginning of a statement, and at the end we will use a question mark. For example, a very common sentence, may I come in, sir? Now here, a student needs permission to enter the class. We can also use might, which is not very common. Might he join us? Now here, one person is taking permission for another person to join them. Pray. Now, the difference between these two structures is, number one, that here we use might and here we do not use might. Might cannot be used while praying. Second difference, at the end here we use question mark, while here we use full stop, a period. Examples. May God forgive us. I'm not asking for permission. I am praying. Another example. May you succeed. I am praying for you to succeed in your life.